gonna also have to like change all of the settings on your strapbacks and snapbacks because this whole situation has made it so you can't get a haircut in so long. Pretty awesome. It's a good way to start a video. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Directly below that is my website address, sbmitch.com. You can find all of the shoes that we pull out of beater boxes there for sale right now. Hello, pals! Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I want to give a huge thank you and an even bigger shout out to the sponsor of this video, Reshoevn8r. Recently, Reshoevn8r underwent a full-scale rebrand, and even though they have a brand new, polished and minimalist look, you're still going to be getting the highest quality sneaker cleaning products on the market to keep your favorite pairs looking crispy. Last week they sent me over this little care package here. You can see the rebranding right on the package. And there's a lot of really cool stuff in this. Some of the things inside of this care package include the water and stain repellent, an 8-ounce bottle of their sneaker cleaning solution, a 12-pack of sneaker wipes. This, which I think is super cool, it's a cleaning mat, which is a new addition to their product line. These nifty little all-new laundry pods that are part of the sneaker laundry system. And they also sent me this. This is the signature shoe cleaning kit. Now let's take a look and see what's inside of this. Notable things that you'll find inside of this kit is the Reshoevn8r branded microfiber cleaning towel, pair of shoe trees, one of the sneaker laundry bags with this all-new laundry pod chamber, I guess you could call it, and my personal favorite, the 3-brush system that includes the stiff bristle brush, the medium bristle brush with an all-new look, and the soft bristle brush. I've always found that good brushes are like one of the most important things that you can have for cleaning your sneakers. And like seriously, I love these brushes. They do a really nice job with these brushes. And there's something I'm noticing about the packaging that I'm really impressed with. I've always been a fan of the fact that Reshoevn8r doesn't test on animals and that their products are derived from a lot of natural ingredients. But this new packaging they're using is not only sleek, but it's environmentally responsible and easily recyclable. So that's super awesome. This is really cool. Be sure to go down to the video description below and use my referral link to check out all the new stuff Reshoevn8r has, or you can just go to reshoevn8r.com. And also keep in mind that they now offer free shipping and free returns. So, I mean, there's so many good things that are happening over there right now that you just check it out if you really want to. Dang, super cool. Thank you, Reshoevn8r, big fan. What's the purpose of this video? We're doing an unboxing, but it's a little tiny guy. I ordered this. It's a mystery box. It's a $100 mystery box. This mystery box comes to us from the darlings of Cincinnati, Ohio, Unheard Of. You can check them out at unheardofbrand.com and at unheardofbrand on both Twitter and Instagram. Unheard Of is a shop, but they mainly focus on like skateboarding goods and apparel. Last month I won a raffle for the chance to buy the Travis Scott Dunk Low SB at retail, which was really cool. And this week they put up a bunch of mystery boxes, and it's basically, they said, hey, we're going to do mystery boxes. This box was $100, and they said it would be a shoe that retails from $150 to $200, and there will also be a special gift inside of it. So that's pretty cool. I will say that I've seen a lot of posts on Twitter of people that bought mystery boxes from them, and a lot of them were Adidas. So, I mean, I'll tell you right now. Okay, so we'll do this. So right now, this is completely improvisational. If it is a pair of Adidas, then we're gonna be giving them away. If it's a pair of Nikes, we'll figure it out. But if it's a pair of Adidas, I'm just gonna give them away because what do I need a pair of Adidas for? So let's see what's going on in here. Really cool shop. I have a couple of their actual like shop branded things, like a t-shirt and a hoodie, and their stuff is actually really cool. So, well, looks like someone's getting a free pair of shoes. So inside of here, let's see. Oh, there's a little keychain thingy. It says Unheard Of on it, which is pretty cool. Here's the pair of shoes. So it is an Adidas. This is a size 11 Ultra Boost 20. I see what it is based on the sticker. And it's not surprising because a lot of other people got this too. The Ultra Boost 20 in the, I want to say this is the Solar Red colorway. It's got a bigger sole than I expected on an Adidas Ultra Boost. Very loud. It's got the International Space Station branding on the tongue, which I think is pretty cool. I have no use for these, and let's just give them away. So here's what we're gonna, hold on. I'm gonna stop the video, figure out how to give these away, and then be back. Okay, so if you want to win this pair of size 11 Adidas Ultra Boost 20s in the Solar Red colorway, here's what you got to do. First of all, You gotta be subscribed to the SB Mitch YouTube channel, which you might be already. You gotta like this video, even if it sucks. You gotta go to Instagram and follow my other account at sbmitch.com. And then down below in the comments section, comment your location, your Instagram handle, and done. I'm not gonna be responding to comments in this video because I don't want the YouTube random comment picker to pick one of my responses. So the giveaway starts right now and it will end, let's say, Thursday the 16th at 11:59, almost midnight. This is open to anybody in the entire world. I will ship these internationally if you're international and you win them. Every single detail and rule is down below in the video description. Anyone that comments more than once will be disqualified, and don't think that I won't check because we're in quarantine, so I have nothing but time. If you win, you will be getting these size 11 Ultra Boost 20s in the Solar Red colorway. You can wear them. You can flip them, you can do with them whatever you want because they will be yours if you win the giveaway for these things. So there you go. Check out the video description for all the rules and all that stuff, and good luck! And thanks. Hey, thank you again to Reshoevn8or for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check my referral link down below in the video description. Check them out at reshoevn8or.com and follow them on social media at Reshoevn8or with an 8. Thank you for watching. Good luck if you're entering the giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you this week for some other stuff. So till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. Later.